Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn feeding content in HTML using jQuery. How to feed the content and how we are going to calling these feed options. Let's see. These fade options are available in jQuery. Fade in function, fade out function, fade toggle function, fade to function. This see here, this exercise will see begin with fade in, how to integrate and how to use. For this fading function, what I'm doing here, see three, one one button and three div tags I'm taking. Like I see here, removing the existing content. Yes, this website is applying for fade in, fading options. Now, what I'm doing for the fading option, let's check here. Like a one thing only I'm calling like a fade. See here, the button functionality within the button function we have to call it as the thing is where within the button function we are going to calling three things. Like see, I like to write the function and I'll show you. This is the document get ready and the function to be write for to get ready with the document for JavaScript functionality, like a jQuery functionality. All right, within the jQuery, what I'm making on button click. Click here to fade the boxes. Three boxes are displaying there. Moreover, the boxes is ready like this. Click here to fade the boxes, right? We'll see now three boxes we are going to be presenting and displaying at the level. Now, what I want to show you the thing is button click event I'm raising now. See the button click raising how I'm going to be preparing. Like calling the button. This is button. But if I click the button, what to do, right? Yes. If I click the button, what to do? Just a second. Here I want to write a function. Open, close, and now within this, what I have to do now? Open and close the braces. Now I have to enter, right? Within like a button for the button, we have to call within the strongly remember. Now, if I click the button, now it is ready. Yes, also here we should give the termination. For every function, we require a terminator with the semicolon. Right now, the button event is ready to take some challenges. First of all, I'm making first div to make the functionality fade in, fade out one by one. I'm going to apply here. Now, fade in, I'm going to apply. How it is? Let's see. Very simple. Like the symbol to dollar with the symbol and the double quotes hash, and within the hash, what is the div tag? First one it is this div one. Copy of that ID and paste over here. And now what is the function we are going to using? Fade in. See here, fade in. All right. Now fade in and making open and close terminate. Now the second one we are going to use for, take a copy of line, paste over here, change the to and like a slow. It should be fast and speed. The things it can be, it is in a slow. And third one it could be like paste the line very simply. There we go. And third, adding up to 3000 microseconds. Save it and run the form. Save, reload. Now click the boxes to fade out. It should come. Let me check. Fade in. I hope it is like fade in. I have some other function. Right. Just a second. Dot. fade in will see. Yes, fade in should be like earlier on only. Unfortunately, yes, like a function. Yes, save it and run. Wow, hello programmer. One thing. So we have to use fade in with capital letter of I. Yes. Save it. Now you see with 1, 2, 3 it becomes 1 by 1. Save it perfectly. Again, reload. Yes, click here to fade in boxes. Wow, wow, wow. 3 boxes are coming here one by one. If I click this box, hello programmer, first box, second box, and a third box is also coming. What are the boxes are having? See, one by one we'll see here. First box is having like a fade in option, it is coming fade in, and with having the weight and height and display none. By default it is a display none, so it is a hidden. If I am pressing like this thing and it is a be like visible by calling this thing. Okay, now the background color it is red, and we can make it as in orange as well. Which color you want you can use, not an issue. Changing of the colors. Hello programmer, the text it is within the box it is coming. Now the second one, it is like a green color and it is coming with slowly it is coming. So it is applied for slow, it will come slowly after this. And the third one it is called and sky blue it is. So like a direct blue will try to the color. And it is coming fade in with a 3000 microseconds. Save it, reload, click here to fade in. Now it's see orange these things. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.